Buried.
You guys are fucking dicks.
He's like, you guys just gonna stand there? Uh-oh.
Yeah, we are.
Uh-oh.
Going or what?
Well,
He's
just,
trying,
his
is it?
body's buried.
His ass in. There he goes. Wiggle it out. Come on, suck it in. Uh-oh. Woo! What a whiff of that one. Woo! What's that shit the dogs get mange? You got mange.
You going back the other way?
Probably trying to reach down and dig his legs out. Maybe he's pushing himself. No, he's trying to clear that out, see?
She's going backwards.
He's pushing the dirt out of the way, I think, so he could get his bottom half out. Maybe. Maybe he's burrowing down. I think he's trying to make the opening bigger. That's the part he's getting caught at right there. Whew! There you go. Get it open. Come on. Oh, shit. Here comes Ron. He'll reach down there and grab him for us.
Uh-huh.